Up 18% year to date, Alphabet Google is beginning to recover from one of its biggest crashes on record. Google also has earnings coming out this week, Tuesday the 25th, after the bell. In this video, we'll answer the questions:
should you invest in Google? What are Google's earnings expectations? And how to place an earnings option trade in Google, showing a real example on the option trading platform.
Hey guys, Darren here. Thanks for watching. We talk about action steps you can take today to increase profits and reduce risk in your options trading portfolios. Before we start, if you appreciate the information and research that goes into making these types of videos, please hit the like and subscribe buttons. I really appreciate it and it helps out the channel. Also be sure and grab the free options workshop in the link below.
It talks about the two main benefits of trading options over buying stocks. Disclaimer, I'm not a financial planner and I'm not recommending trades. Please do your own research, and if you're new or learning options, I recommend you start small. Should you invest in Google? Should we be long or short Google? Let's take a look at what Google does and how they have performed, the fundamentals, the technicals, and the outlook in general going forward. As far as the fundamentals, Google's fundamentals are great. The PE ratio is currently near the lowest it's ever been at 22. The expected one-year price target is 124, so an 18% increase from where it was today. Not too bad. Google has a 26% operating profit margin, $113 billion in cash, and only $11 billion in debt. Alphabet owns the world's two most popular websites, Google and YouTube. Google commands an 85% share of the global search engine market, and YouTube has over 2 billion monthly active users. Of course, these services are mostly free, so how does Alphabet make money? By showing advertisements to people browsing those services and others that offer it to their customers. By selling to advertisers to appear on these services, Alphabet increased revenue from $66 billion in 2014 to $283 billion in 2022. In looking at the technical charts on TradingView, you can see that Google has been trending upwards. However, it's 30% off its highs. As far as the current market situation, there are mounting economic concerns weighing on the market right now. Many people think we are entering a recessionary period. The one potential concern is that ad sales are affected by the broader economy, so Alphabet's profitability is somewhat affected by the current market downturn. Marketers are more cautious about spending money on advertising now that economies worldwide have slowed in response to the central banks raising interest rates and the war in Ukraine. What are Google's earnings expectations? The consensus estimate for earnings on April 25th is $1.05 per share. They missed the last 4 quarters, as you can see on Market Beat. However, they actually did $1.05 just last quarter. I expect a Q1 beat. However, whether that happens or not, depending on the guidance and other factors, there's no guarantee which way the stock price will move. However, with Google continuing to be a dominant player with a lucrative business model and at the current low price, I'm completely bullish on Google. Let's take a look at how to sell a put vertical spread earnings option trade in Google. We will show a real example on the Tastyworks trade platform. It's the best platform for trading options. I'll put a link down below. We go to the trade tab and punch in GOOGL in the upper left. We pick the May 19 option chain. Now we click on the bid to sell the 105 put and the ask to buy the 95 put, and we collect $2.84. We switch to the curve mode by clicking on curve, and we can see that our profit zone is in green. We collect the $284 up front for selling this put vertical spread. As long as the stock price stays above the 105 strike price in the next 26 days, we keep the entire $284. Worst case, if Google does move down, then we roll the option out to the next cycle and collect an additional premium. So our profits are just delayed a little.
All right, guys, I'll put a link down below for the free options workshop. Be sure and grab that. Also, please remember to hit like and subscribe and leave a comment. Let me know your thoughts on the video. See you in the next one.